Hi, good day to you, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Rodeline Pilandes Agono from Kawayan Uno, San Francisco, Quezon, Philippines. I am 25 years old, single, and I am a Roman Catholic. I am happy and independent person. I worked before in Calamba, Laguna for 5 years from 2018 to 2022. As a helper, I serve 2 members in the family. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing, ironing, cooking, marketing, and taking care of 2 little dogs and lovebirds. I also worked in Taguig City for 8 months. I serve 4 members in the family. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house up to 3rd floor, ironing and washing the clothes, watering the plants, and look after the baby which is 1 year old and his siblings which is 5 years old. We sing and we play many more games. I also help him with his homework. Sometimes we play in the park and assist them what they need. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your head. And now and say goodbye. Goodbye. My love from my family gave me strength to work hard as a domestic helper there in Hong Kong so that I can give them the brighter future. So, Mom and Sir, I will work hard and taking care of your family and continue to serve you as long as you want me to. Hope to see you soon, Mom and Sir. Have a good day and God bless.